Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to look at this pair of shoes, which is the Grenson Rosebery in Cognac. This is a 5-eyelet derby, plain toe derby, and I'm very excited about it because it is part of the triple welt line made by Grenson. Grenson's factory in Northamptonshire is in Rushden, and they make really great shoes, so I hear. And I've always been fascinated with them, especially the triple welt line. I decided to go with a plain toe because I like the construction, and it's as close as I can get to the my favorite PTB in the triple welt line. So excited about it. You see they have these nice shoe bags. The shoe bags themselves are just plain cotton cloth, nothing fancy, but also good quality and not anything disappointing. The paper quality on this paper is good. It's not like your regular tissue paper. And the shoes themselves in this cognac color, there's some ink issues here, which I'll just have to clean them. But take a look at that welt. So the way that this is, there's like the regular sole stitching, then it looks like they stitched another welt across it. And then it's a storm welt on top of that, or a split reverse welt. So stitched with the rise. Very different, very traditional English derby. More of a toe pop here than I normally like. But these are giant soles, and looking forward to it. The color is cognac, but it almost seems, I hate to say pinkish. It's a very interesting color. No doubt something that I will probably darken a little bit as I go. But so I'm going to take out the junk that was here, and I'm going to put in the shoe tree that I got with it. So Grenson shoe tree. The triple welt. Again, this paper is soft. Sometimes, you know, paper should never ever scratch the shoes, but it is interesting when they feel soft to the touch. Now here, you see that inside there. It says handmade in the Grenson factory, Northamptonshire, England. I'm gonna say handmade because there's no such thing as handmade shoes in a factory. So, but they're still they're quite nice. They have the hand lettered number on there and size, and of course made in England, which is nice. I mean, part of the reason why you buy Grenson is because of that. But here again, that is not burnishing, that's just slop at the factory. And I don't care because I'm going to polish them, and as I said, I'll darken them up a bit. But here again, you know, that kind of thing. It's just polish, but it's also, you know, for a beast of a shoe, and for as high a quality leather as this is, and as high a quality feel as this is, those kind of stains are just, well, if you'll pardon the expression, they're silly, right? That kind of thing shouldn't be, that shouldn't make it past quality control. Now, I mean, if these were factory seconds, you know, that would be a totally different story. I did get them on sale, but, you know, it didn't say, oh, hey, by the way, you know, you ought to put a patina on the shoes because we stained the heck out of them, right? So anyway, not to oversell the thing or my disappointment in it, because it's really not that big a deal. There is some burnishing here and some unevenness in the coloring, just in general, which you can see. But overall, not bad. They're these shoes are not polished, right? And I think that's an important thing to note, right? When I pulled my Norman Vilaltas out of the box, you know, they had a mirror shine on the heel and on the toe. These don't have any polish at all. So any kind of cream polish that I put on is going to even out all the colors, probably cover this stuff up, and be a big nothing burger. So again, not terribly concerned about it, but I wouldn't be true to what the channel is all about if I didn't point out, you know, pretty obvious things if, you know, as I pull it out of the box. So again, I bought them for this welt. And I mean, just look at that welt. I mean, that is crazy. 2 rows of stitches, okay, with a split reverse. It's just very cool, and can't wait to wear them, see how they feel. Thank you for watching. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm out.